Hello, friend. If you watched my last two videos, you are now able to stop the high volume of emails coming into your inbox, and you have also cleared out the clutter, which is amazing. Yay. However, if you don't have the right system set up, you will never be able to get and stay organized. So in this video, which is the third video in this 4-part series, we are going to walk through 3 simple strategies that I use personally in my own inbox to stay organized. So what's the deal with the system? Well, if you don't have a system in place, then you are just reacting to all of the emails coming into your inbox every day. The goal is to set up a system so that you can easily maintain your purposeful inbox. And the result is that you get to spend more time doing the things that you love, like watching reruns of Modern Family or learning how to kite surf, or spending more time with your family and friends, which so many of us genuinely want to be doing. But I digress. Let's get into it. So let's walk through 3 simple strategies that have worked wonders for me with Gmail and that I use daily. The first one is automatic filters. So I like to use this personally for newsletters, coaching programs I might be doing at the time, coupons, that sort of thing. I've also used it in the past for different client work or projects that I'm working on. And what's nice about this is oftentimes I will have the automatic filter applied so that it skips my inbox and it's not cluttering up my inbox. But when I need or want to look at it, I can simply go into the label or the folder that I filtered it into. Easy to set up. You just click this plus button here for a new label. And let's pick Morning Brew. That's right there. Morning Brew. I'm going to click create. Love it. I'm going to go into that sender and click the hamburger up here. I'm going to filter messages like these. Check the from, correct. I'm going to create filter. I'm going to skip the inbox and I'm going to apply the label Morning Brew, create filter. And it's having me verify that this is my account. Verified. All right, so now this will filter everything from Morning Brew from now on moving forward that comes into my inbox into the label over here. All right, next up is my personal favorite. This is the one I use on a daily basis. I haven't seen or heard anybody else talking about or using Gmail in this way, but frankly, it's the biggest way that I organize my inbox. I'm going to go up to settings, see all settings, inbox, and click all of these and click save. And you can see now I have all of these different tabs in my inbox, which you will also find labels for, move my head, over on the side under categories as well. So these are a special sort of label within Gmail. And I won't get into the specifics. It's not necessarily important for the purposes of this video. But what I like about this is that I can sort my inbox into various tabs. And the really cool thing about Gmail is it's smart and you can teach the platform which emails you want to go into which tab, and it will start to pick up on the way that you're organizing your inbox. So for me, other clients that I work with, different ways to use these tabs might be one for newsletters, one for client work, so items coming to and from clients, Zoom appointments or meetings, any appointments in general, coupons or receipts. One of my tabs is for any sort of packages or receipts that might be, coming and going, so I can keep track of that. I think this is one of the most underutilized elements of Gmail, and I'm hoping that Google will one day allow us to rename these labels and be able to tailor them to our own specific needs. But play around with this and try to implement it even for 2 weeks, because I really like knowing that I can see everything that's in my inbox, but there's a higher level of organization. So I encourage you to try this. It was life-changing for me. I've been using it for years. I use it with my clients. They love it. So give it a go and let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, the third and last strategy that I want to show you for setting up a system is calendaring emails if there's an action that you want to take on them and not forget about. Now, full disclosure, this is not a strategy that I necessarily implement often, but I do think it can be very helpful, and a lot of my clients find it very helpful. So the way that you can do this, I'm going to open up my calendar for this account, and you can click into the email and go up to the hamburger, the 3 dots, and add to tasks. You can also create an event. I prefer add to tasks. Then you can click, let's say we want it for tomorrow. Let's set the time for noon. Click OK. And now we can go over to our calendar and we can see it there and click on it if we need to. And it'll take us right back to the email as needed. This might be helpful if there's, an appointment that you really want on your calendar. You want to make sure that it's on there. It can be helpful if there's a follow-up for a project, all sorts of things. So that is another strategy that you can use to systemize your inbox. I promise that implementing even just one of these strategies will dramatically uplevel your Gmail game. But here's the thing, just having a system is not enough. If it's not maintained, it'll fall apart. And in order to maintain your system, you need to spend time with it. So that's what I'm talking about with my next video, is how to spend time with your inbox, which is the 4th of the 4 essential elements needed to organize your inbox for good. So if you are ready to finish this series so that you can have an incredible inbox and get that flow and ease back into your life, I will see you in the next video.